Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I will be giving you a personal review of what I think of the new equipment that I just got for my YouTube channel to level up a little bit the videos that I have. I'm so excited about this. I hope you like it and let me know what you think. Let's get started. So this is the unboxing. Everything came up in this really nice suitcase where all the umbrella and tripods, light bulbs and everything, cables and all that. So I found it in really good packaging. It's very sturdy and nothing was damaged at all. You can see the umbrellas were in a plastic bag or cover, and then all the light bulbs were in a box in this special case. They were protected with styrofoam. And then in these boxes we had where you connect the light bulbs, and the cable, the length was really good. I mean, I was able to connect it everywhere nearby. However, you can have the fully details about the length exactly on the link that I will post on the description box below if you want more details about anything on this bag of lights. This is a tripod for one of the biggest or tallest lights, and it was really nice the way that it popped up, and it wasn't difficult at all. I didn't actually read the manual at the beginning. I didn't need to, but then I started putting everything together. As you can see, like the light bulb, and then this is the first time that I set up something like this, so I wasn't sure how to connect everything. The light bulb was pretty straightforward, but then the umbrella was a tricky one. How to put the umbrella until I reviewed the manual, and then I just figured it out. There's like a little holder near the light bulb, and you put it there, but there's like a screw that you need to unscrew, so it will be loosened a little bit. And this is how it looks like with the light, and it's only one light. I need to set up the other one. I think that it looks good. I have all my lights turned off, and I have this umbrella light here, and it's amazing. I mean, you can see how it lights up my face, and it's just one light, one umbrella. And the other one, I will try to set it up right here if I want to record in this side to start filming here. This is what I'm gonna be using the umbrella. I'm gonna show you now. Okay, so this is how it looks like with light. with the umbrella light, and this is how it looks like without it. Let's see, let's turn it off. Completely dark. Here is the lamp, and let me show you how you can see it with my light from the house. And that's the situation right now. So this is how you can see me from here. Like, this is the way the light from my house is. And if I turn it up, if I turn this on, see what a huge difference. This is a huge difference. Okay, so this is how I have this set up behind scenes, and that is the lamp that I have, and I have the equipment that I just got. I will show you everything in detail in a minute. This is the umbrella, and that is the tripod for the umbrella. This is how it looks like from behind scenes, and I'm gonna turn it off so you can see it clearly, but without light. So I just set the light here in this bulb, and then I straighten this out so I could insert the umbrella stick, and then I will put this out so you can insert this one in here and put it up here. And if you want to your light like higher, you can just set it up higher from here. Just loosen up this a little bit, and then you just put it a little bit upwards, and you can have it like that. This is how it looks like. And as you could see, it doesn't take up a lot of space, which was something that really was worrying me, because as you can see, I have lots of kid stuff, and I'm still working on my home organization, but this is what it has. And in summary, I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna turn this on. In summary, what I used was the umbrella, the tripod, and here in this box came these black stuff. I don't know how to call it. And then in here you will have the light bulb inside this box. The tripod came here, and the umbrella came in this one, this plastic. So there's three of them that are included here in this Emart. There are actually 4 umbrellas, but only 3 tripods. And the tripods that are here are 2 like the ones that I show you, and another one that it's really small. The umbrellas, I think they are the same size. However, the black ones look smaller a little bit. I'm not sure. I have to try. So this is what you will be looking at from the in your package. Okay, I am pretty happy about it. I'm gonna film the next video with the lights and see what is the quality of the video, and we'll let you know if I really love it or if I don't. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you. See you the next time. Bye bye.